Sabi niya, hindi niya ako iiwan.
The sudden end of a perfect love.
Most people my age, ngayon pa lang nagpapakasal. Samantalang ako, nakapagpalibing na ng asawa. Haba pa ng buhay ko, but I've already lost the one person worth living for.
Can be the unexpected beginning of another.
What's this?
What else starts with the letter G? Guapo!
The day you took my
Nagtataksil ba ako sa asawa ko?
Paano ka magtataksil sa asawa mo? Wala ka na nga asawa.
Audrey, sister mo yun, di ba? Si Lara?
Parang gusto ko nang maniwala sa sinabi ni Audrey na pinalitan mo na nga daw ang anak ko. It's so easy for you. Siguro nga dahil 5 buwan lang kayong kasal.
Kung pwede lang sana, I had 5 more days, 5 more years, 5 more lifetimes with him. You may have loved him longer, but that doesn't mean I loved him any less.
On its 16th anniversary, Star Cinema proudly brings an extraordinary story of everlasting love. Sam Milby.
I have to be honest with you. I love you.
Derek Ramsey.
Open your eyes.
And Bea Alonzo.
Pagod na ako maging malungkot. Ang hirap naman maging masaya kasi nananakit ka ng ibang tao. Ayoko na.
A love story that tells us not to be afraid to fall in love again and again.
I love her. I love her more.
I love him so much.
And I Love You So. Directed by Laurenti Joki, August 12, 2009.
People ask me